So I did go ahead. Ooh. I did go ahead and bleach these knots. Where I'm at right now, I do not have like a local beauty supply store near me. So uh, all I could get was this right here, the little blonde dye box from Tops or whatever. And I mean, I did something. Maybe I was impatient earlier and all that, and I took it off quickly because I was close to over bleaching my hair. If you can see, it's brown right here, which isn't that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad, but I was really close to over bleaching my knots and over bleaching my hair. So, but if you can see closely, if it's focused, if you can see closely, you can still see the knots. And that's not what I'm going for right now. So I'm just trying to fill in on the wig and stuff. I can kind of honestly say for it to fit, I will literally have to pull my wig, you know what I'm saying, and make it fit because I have a big ass head, you know. So for me to have a big head and it's like, you know, kind of fitting good, um it's pretty good, you know. It's a nice fit. It is a nice fit. So I'm just gonna show you the wig. I've already washed the hair, so this is not the initial curl palette pattern that came in. This is just me after washing the hair. You know, later on the video I will show you how I install the hairstyle, the hair, all that good stuff. Whew. I've also gotten the Kinky curly wig. They look exactly the same on inside. I will take this off if you want me to. But I also gotten the Kinky curly wig. Exactly my hair type. This is my hair. This is my hair. So this is exactly my hair texture right here. Now I might, let me try this one on too. So let me just, yeah. So you can see it off my head too. This is the wig. Same thing. It has four combs, sides, top, bottom. Yeah, four combs, top, bottom, sides, and also not elastic bands, but what are these straps? Wig straps. It has straps in the back. Ooh, has straps in the back. Just like my hair. I literally washed this wig and it was like down to like at least right here. Now we're done. It really shrunk up on me. This is my hair. This is exactly my hair. And the same thing goes for this wig too, just like the other one. It barely fits my head, but all I have to do is just pull. I have to literally like pull for it to like do something. Yeah. It's pre-plucked as you can see. I don't know if I'm gonna go in a little bit only because it's like super thin at the front and then it goes really thick at the back. Yeah, I'm gonna pluck this. I'm gonna also bleach the knots on this one too as well. Again, hopefully I don't over bleach it. But yeah, I will define the curls more. There's some days where I'm gonna like, you know, rock the fro or whatever, but I want to see it defined, you know? It was so pretty defined. It really was. And I do have like a couple textures going throughout the hair. Not the whole entire head, but some. Like for instance, the root is more of like a 4B, and then it goes to a 4C at the ends. So, yeah.
you don't even want to rue the days. You want to know why we only got bear traps? Because it traps those sweet succulent Tootsie Wootsies all in a sweet grab. You're never going to get that foot back. You have to chew it off.